In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and launching free app. Code Caffeine, keep screen on. Following that, hit OK in Welcome pop-up and tap on Timeout just to make sure that Infinite is on. Then go into Tab menu and edit it thanks to this icon of a pen at the top. Hit Edit under Full. Look for Caffeine shortcut and add it to your current ones. When you finish, hit Done. Go back. Tap on the shortcut and use gray switcher next to Allow Permission over here. Lastly, you need to tap on the same shortcut one more time, this time to activate Infinite Timeout. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!